Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're getting into Shopify Custom Theme Development. Firstly, Shopify CLI can create a starter theme by cloning Shopify skeleton theme to your computer. Skeleton is a minimal, well-structured Shopify theme built to help you start fast with modular code and Shopify best practices. Go to the folder where you want to create your theme and run the Shopify theme init command. When prompt, enter a name, for example my new theme, and Shopify CLI will create a folder with that name and clone the theme into it. Move into the theme folder and to preview the test changes in real time, run a dev server. Shopify CLI uploads your theme as a development theme on your store and provides a preview with link hot reload. Just replace my store with your store name, and the first time you run this, Shopify CLI will ask you to sign in. Go to the IP address to view it on Google Chrome. Now, when you want a shareable link to update an existing theme or go to ready to publish, push your theme to Shopify. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.